moving forward to the AWS resources. So firstly, we have this front end bucket, which is all the files related to front end, and it is statically hosted here. So we can see it's working fine. And then we have this API gateway slash chatbot, which interacts with LF0 Lambda function. Coming to LF0 Lambda function, it is basically processing the request and calling the it is processing the request from the front end and calling the Lex chatbot. So our Lex chatbot is basically, it has three intents: greetings, which also has email for implementing state, and gender hey hi, and then this data dining suggestion where we need to extract these key slots, right? And for thank you, this is like pretty straightforward. All of them are calling the lf1 lambda function. Lf1 lambda function basically handles all these intents, right? The logic, and sends, after processing things, sends it to SQS. SQS is just like with this queue. And for LF2, it just pulls messages from the SQS and queries Elasticsearch, queries DynamoDB, and emails the user as well. Then we have event bridge, which actually periodically triggers the LF2 function, right, to periodically pull from SQS and other things. Then we have this DynamoDB, in which we have 150 restaurants total. Like we can go next 100 and 150. And similarly, we have previous searches, which is essentially stored the state of the user. So I'm just gonna get rid of this for now. Never mind that. So like then we have open search, in which we have provisioned, like there are 160 items, 150 are the restaurants, and 10 of them are something uh, open source specific. Then like in ACS we have some verified identities. So now if I go about using the chatbot, so if I say hi like this, so it could not find any previous searches, so it's asking how can I assist you today. So I'm just gonna paste this here. So yeah, you can see it picked up all the slots, and it says it'll email me with the suggestions. So ideally we should have yeah, one message in the queue, and then I should be able to get the email here. Let's say, yeah, so we got the email 556, and you can see it's here, and probably like this should go to zero again. Yeah, so it's working fine. Now if we go back here, so you can see like we have the restaurant names and addresses, like just something I've picked. So now even if we refresh it, right, just to verify the state thing, so now if I say this, yeah, your previous recommendations have been emailed to you. So previously it was saying we couldn't find any previous searches, but now it did. So as you can see, it should have emailed us right away. Yeah, so you can see previously it was restaurant suggestions. Now it is like previous restaurant suggestions. Yeah, like this is the same thing. And then yeah, you can just say like thanks or something. So the thanks greeting intent, thanks intent will like go off, right? This one, thank you intent. So yeah, I think that's it.